The risks of cigarette smoke, a health hazard. Cigarette smoking is a leading cause of preventable death worldwide, posing significant risks to both the smoker and those exposed to secondhand smoke. The harmful effects of cigarette smoke are well documented and far-reaching, affecting virtually every organ system in the body. This essay will explore the various health risks associated with cigarette smoking, highlighting the detrimental impact it has on individuals and society. One of the most significant health risks of cigarette smoking is lung cancer. The chemicals in cigarette smoke can damage DNA and cause mutations in lung cells, leading to the development of cancer. Lung cancer is a particularly deadly form of cancer, with a low survival rate. In addition to lung cancer, cigarette smoking is also associated with other respiratory diseases, such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, and emphysema. These conditions can significantly impair lung function, making it difficult to breathe and leading to a reduced quality of life. Cigarette smoking is not only harmful to the lungs but also poses risks to the cardiovascular system. The chemicals in cigarette smoke can damage blood vessels, increase blood pressure, and promote blood clot formation. These factors can lead to heart attack, stroke, and peripheral artery disease. Additionally, cigarette smoking can increase the risk of developing coronary heart disease, a condition characterized by the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Beyond the lungs and cardiovascular system, cigarette smoking can also have negative consequences for other organs. It can damage the kidneys, increasing the risk of kidney disease and kidney failure. Cigarette smoking is also associated with an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes, a condition characterized by high blood sugar levels. Moreover, smoking can impair fertility and increase the risk of complications during pregnancy. The harmful effects of cigarette smoke are not limited to the smoker. Secondhand smoke, the smoke inhaled by individuals who are not smoking themselves, can also pose significant health risks. Exposure to secondhand smoke has been linked to lung cancer, heart disease, stroke, and respiratory problems in children. Protecting individuals from secondhand smoke is a crucial public health measure. The economic costs of cigarette smoking are substantial. The healthcare system bears a heavy burden in treating the diseases caused by smoking, leading to increased healthcare expenditures. Additionally, smoking can reduce productivity and increase absenteeism in the workplace, resulting in lost wages and decreased economic growth. Despite the well-documented health risks of cigarette smoking, many people continue to smoke. A variety of factors contribute to smoking, including nicotine addiction, social pressures, and cultural norms. However, quitting smoking is possible, and there are many resources available to help smokers quit. Quitting smoking can have significant health benefits, including a reduced risk of cancer, heart disease, and stroke. In conclusion, cigarette smoking is a major public health problem with serious consequences for both individuals and society. The harmful effects of cigarette smoke extend to virtually every organ system in the body, increasing the risk of a wide range of diseases. While quitting smoking can be challenging, the benefits far outweigh the risks. By raising awareness about the dangers of cigarette smoking and providing support for smokers who want to quit, we can help to reduce the prevalence of smoking and improve public health.